Welcome once again to the Barefoot Skinner channel. I'm Darren, coming to you from At Creek Bend Taxidermy Shop. So today we got a mule deer for you, and I think everything's going to go well with this one. No form alterations expected, but we'll see as we go. Peel off that really thin layer of sinew type fiber off the back of the ear liner. And that works really well to super glue these cuts back together. Well, that does it for this Colorado Muley. Everything went pretty well today. No issues, no major form alterations, which is great. I thank the Lord for that. So anyway, it's been a blessing to be able to work on it. And as always, we give God the glory for all that we're able to do. And thank you for watching. Well, got the airbrush work done, and everything has been cleaned off, and now it's time to do a final touch on the eyelids, the lower eyelids in the corner of the eye, and coming down into the tear duct. I like to put a little Mod Podge in there to just give it the wet look.